Hey, welcome back to Enlightened Tutors.
Says if a squared plus b squared equals z, which of the following is equal to 4z plus 8y of ab equals y? Okay, much better. Now, if we look at our answer choices, we'll notice that there's no z in the answer choices, and there's no y in the answer choices. Everything in the answer choices is either in terms of a or b. Well, if I look up here, I have z written in terms of a and b, and I have y written in terms of a and b. What that means is our job is just to replace these z's and y's with a's and b's. So this z right here, I'm just going to rewrite this, but I'm going to substitute for z, a squared plus b squared. Then I'm going to do the plus 8, but instead of y, I'm going to put what y equals, which is ab. Now I can distribute this out, and then I can take a look at this and realize, oh no, this doesn't look anything like the answer choices. The answer choices are all written in the form parentheses squared, and there's something in here. What that tells me is that our answer choices are factored. We'll notice there's 1, 2, 3 different terms here, which makes this a trinomial. I'm going to write this as 4a squared plus 8ab plus 4b squared. The reason I'm writing that, I like alphabetical order. A is first, b is last. Makes sense to me. I noticed a pattern here. The pattern is that this term is a perfect square, this term is a perfect square, and this term, the number, is twice as much what these numbers are. That's a pattern of a perfect square trinomial. That one way to factor this is going to be 2a plus 2b squared. I know that because this fits the pattern. If I square this term, it's going to equal my first term. If I square this term, it's going to equal my last, And then if I multiply these two, and then multiply that times 2, I'm going to get my middle term. That pattern always holds true for perfect square trinomials. Now, I happen to have that memorized, which makes that my easiest way to solve this question.
For more helpful videos, follow us on TikTok and YouTube.